The Bomaker SiFi True Wireless Earbuds. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we'll take a look at the Bomaker SiFi True Wireless Earbuds. These come in at $50. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside it comes with a user manual, micro USB cable for charging, and an assortment of ear tips. The Bomaker SiFi features 6 to 8 hours of listening time and 25 to 30 hours with the case. Uses Bluetooth 5.0, Qualcomm QCC3020 chipset, aptX AAC codec, and CVC for noise reduction. Button controls, micro USB for charging, and it's IPX7 waterproof. The case is nice and compact. It has a matte finish all around, and it provides a nice grip. On the back of the case, you have the micro USB charge port. And inside the case, you'll find the charge status LEDs for the case. The lid opens and closes smoothly, and it feels tight. The earbuds are secured by magnets, and they are also easy to remove from the case. You can also see the ear indicators etched in inside. The earbuds have a matte finish all around, the same feel as the case, and you have the ear indicators marked on the inside. On the outer face, it has a rubber button for the controls. Each of the earbuds have charging contacts, LED, button control, interchangeable ear tips, and microphone. And here they are side by side. Navigating playback and call controls is pretty straightforward. It's a few presses to get the desired function. The case comes in at 2.6 by 1.3 by 1.2 inches. It weighs in at roughly 33 grams, and the earbuds come in at 8 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Something's different next to you. It's like my soul is set on fire. But oh, I'm starting to feel tired. 'Cause I can run.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Bomaker SiFi True Wireless Earbuds. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone came in a bit low for my liking. Callers on the other end described it as sounding far away from my phone and a bit echoey. You can also use the earbuds independently, left or right side, and pairing was instant for the earbuds. I had no issues. When testing video on an iOS device, I didn't experience any noticeable latency. Range was also stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Bomaker SiFi Earbuds. and sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. The earbuds were comfortable and easy to put on. It seated well in my ears and it didn't require excessive twisting. They felt very light and at times you forget you even have them on. The button controls do tend to push it in further into your ear canals when navigating, but they had no issues staying to place while running. Build and quality is fair. The case and earbuds have a simple, clean design, and it feels durable. The overall design is small, so it makes it easy to carry around in your pockets or bag. I like the fact that the earbuds are IPX7 waterproof, and the battery life is respectable, coming in at 6 to 8 hours. Now when it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, I feel that it has its presence. It's tight and punchy, but it won't be that overwhelming deep bass. Mids and highs come in clean and clear, and one thing you will notice is how the vocals really stand out. You may have picked up some of the detail in the music samples. I feel that the sound signature falls more on the brighter side. You can definitely turn up the volume at a high level and not experience any distortion. So overall, these are pretty solid and will suit those that like more of the bright sounds. I like the fit and portability, and these will definitely work for those that have active lifestyles from running to working out. The IPX7 rating will provide the protection from the elements. So that is my review of the Bomaker SiFi True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.